Welcome to our next tutorial of QUICKSURFACE. In the objects like this one, we normally need to extract extrusion to reconstruct this shape, and I started this sketch here. And we may spend a lot of time to adjust our primitives, extract lines, create constraints. And what do we see actually here? That this is symmetrical to the bottom part. And what QUICKSURFACE offers you to help is the mirror function. Mirror function is available in the Edit Sketch dialog. Also, it's accessible from the context menu when pressing the right mouse button. So the way it works is that it needs to have a line which is a construction line, and this will be used for the mirroring. So in this case, I will just create another line here which goes through the origin, and I will just select this line and make it for construction. So then with the rectangular selection, you can select your primitives, but you must select also the line which will be used for construction. If you just select these and try to make a mirror, the software will stop and tell you that you need to have a selected line here. If you have let's say another line here which is again for construction, I will just make for construction and try to make a mirror. Again, mirror will fail because there are multiple construction lines and it doesn't know how to make the mirror. So that's why I will just delete this line because I don't need it. So I'll just select my object of interest. Only the selected primitives from the sketch will be mirrored, and then you can just press mirror. As you see, it creates a mirror primitives based on this line, and then you can continue your work. For example, you can create a line here, and then you can connect, and then you can use the line here, and you can continue your work. Just want to clarify that mirror is only an operation. It doesn't create any relations in terms of symmetry between the primitives. This means that if I modify this part, it's not affected, doesn't affect the parts which have been mirrored. This will save you a lot of time, I hope, and will be useful for your project. Thank you for watching.